Hey and welcome to another video. My name is Huntsman and I'm really glad to see you here. Today we're speaking about night photography, and I 100% bet that you want to take your camera, go out in the night streets and take really nice pictures with a really good quality and cinematic look. If the answer is yes, then you are at the right place, because today, my friend, I'm gonna show you in 3 minutes how to give really nice look to your pictures. We're gonna go in Adobe Lightroom. We're gonna take 4 pictures that I actually shoot the last night, and we're gonna create a really nice preset that I'm gonna share with you. By the way, all my presets you're gonna find in the link down below. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the Lightroom. So here is my 4 pictures. Picture number 1, picture number 2, picture number 3, and picture number 4. Nothing special about them at the moment, but we're gonna create a really nice cinematic look and we're gonna add some beautiful color correction. So first of all, we're gonna start with the first photo. So first step, of course, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crop the picture, because I wanna align it and I wanna make it look really nice. Here it is. So this is the crop, this is the crop version. And right now we're gonna go straight to the settings. We're gonna adjust a little bit of exposure here. Like that, it looks really nice, and we're gonna give really nice soft look by decreasing the contrast here. That's actually cool, maybe a little bit more. Okay, so right now we're gonna go to the highlights. Highlights, it's my less favorite option, so I'm gonna decrease it until it's gonna become gray, because actually if you're gonna make this picture look flat, then we're gonna color correct it, we're gonna color grade it, and then actually it's gonna achieve this beautiful cinematic look. So shadows, we're gonna bring the shadows a little bit up. Yes, and we're gonna actually rise down with the exposure. So we're gonna we're gonna bring them up, and this is how we're actually gonna achieve a little bit brighter version of our previous stage of the photo. Okay, so this is how it was before, and this is how it looks now. So it's already kind of interesting, but there's still lack of colors, still lack of other beautiful things. So we're gonna go here to the saturation, and I'm gonna decrease the saturation around -11 actually. I think it's like maybe actually more. No, minus 14. Gonna work really nice. We're gonna go play with the curves. So I'm gonna just lift blacks a little bit up to give really nice, beautiful, soft look. I love the way it looks right now. Actually not, but we're gonna achieve really nice cinematic look in the end. So I'm gonna go to the saturation, and here I'm gonna play with it. I'm gonna increase a little bit red, just a bit. Yes, and here straight away I'm gonna decrease all greens, because it's my less favorite color, 100% like it. And purples, magenta is also gonna go a little bit decrease blue, because here we got a lot of blues going on, and it's just like popping in my eyes, and I don't really like it. Then we're gonna go to the split toning, and split toning is here. So the first thing that I would love to do, I want to increase some reds, or actually maybe greens. Yes, like that. It's already good looking. It's starting to look better than it was before. Actually, it looks super gray comparing to what it was originally, but it's not a problem. We're gonna fix it. So let's go to the hue, and here I would love to compensate it with actually some purples or blues, maybe like something more like that. Okay, so we got something here. We're not gonna do anything with sharpening, because yeah, it looks sharp enough. A little bit of lens correction, because it's been shot on 30 mils, and there is a little bit of distortion. It's a little bit disturbed, yeah. So I'm gonna put the constant crop, so it would crop automatically. And here is my favorite part, vignetting. Yes, that's gonna bring a life to our photo. We're gonna get a little bit of vignetting here, so we could just get the focus on the main subject. It's really important. And of course, I'm gonna increase a little bit mid-tone here. I'm not gonna do a lot, and just a little bit feathering. All right, of course, this is actually my favorite place to play, grain. So this is gonna add a lot of cinematic feeling to the picture. Before, not so grainy, and now we're gonna increase it till 30. Look how grainy it became, but there is certain feeling about it. I don't know, just there is something special about it, and I really like the way it looks. Like right now it looks a little bit more crispy. It doesn't look so sharp, but it feels more natural. Okay, So here's where actually magic begins, in a camera calibration. So first of all, what I would like to do is play with oranges. Yes, I'm gonna make her a little bit orange, a little bit, you know, like yellowish. And I'm gonna increase it just a bit, because I took this picture during the night and I want to show that actually it's darker and there's like, you know, flashlights, street lights going on. So yeah, greens we're gonna put here, and it gives already like a little bit of cinematic feeling. And primary blue, we're gonna decrease it. So right now we got here kind of already interesting look, but it looks super orangey and I don't like that. I want to fix it. So what we're gonna do is actually we're gonna play right now with a hue. We're gonna go to hue and I'm gonna just decrease it. I'm gonna make it a little bit more orangey. Yes, something like that. Looks really nice. Now I have a feeling that there is some kind of street light. It's just giving this beautiful, you know, color, and it's during the night, and that looks amazing in my opinion. And the next thing, I would love to a little bit kill this, how to say, teal color. I prefer more blue colors. So we're gonna just turn the aqua into the blue, and okay. So it's already looks pretty much interesting. Look, before and after, that's already pretty cool look, but we're gonna go even further with luminance. So I would love to make her a little bit brighter, and I would like to also with my blues darker, aquas a little bit darker, and it already looks pretty nice, but something is missing. It's too bright in my opinion. So what we're gonna do, this is actually final step. We're gonna go to the blacks and we're just gonna decrease them just to the -23. Also, it's still super bright, so I'm gonna decrease a little bit of whites, maybe a little bit of exposure and increase white. Nice. Actually, this will be, no, not yet. Actually, I want to get a little bit more green inside, like this orangey look. So we're gonna play with the greens. We're gonna go to the tint. And now it's ready. Now we got really nice, beautiful, cinematic look. I think it just looks perfect. So, and right now gonna be the final stage. We're gonna create preset out of this beautiful look, and I'm gonna show you right now how. So you want to go here where it says presets and on your left side, and you want to press this plus and give it a certain name. For example, I will name it, this is gonna be the name. Yeah, so create, and right now we're gonna go to the next photo where two gentlemen are having the conversation in the street. First of all, I would love to crop it. That looks nice. And subscribe to this channel. Boom. And straight away, just look at this beauty. We got really nice, beautiful cinematic look. It's just amazing. It's not too yellow, it's not too blue, it's not too dark. It's just perfect in my opinion. All right, let's go to the next photo. And here we got a picture of the father with the two daughters. Actually, I'm not sure if it's a daughter. Once again, I'm gonna crop it just like that. And once again, subscribe to this channel. Boom. Okay, so right now it's a little bit too much blues going on. I'm gonna go to the temperature and I'm gonna fix it over here. Boom, done. Looks beautiful. Let's zoom our picture. Amazing. It's really nice look. That looks perfect in my opinion. That looks amazing. All right, let's go to the next photo. Here we're gonna crop it once again, like that. Don't sleep. I love this sign. Don't sleep. It looks nice. Okay, so once again, subscribe to the channel, pressing on our preset, and boom. And we're gonna go here, fix it like that, and already it looks nice, but something is missing. So we can go to the radial filter. We're just gonna, okay, we'll put it here, increase the feather and adjust it a little bit, and just play a little bit with exposure. Boom, done. Now it's one more beautiful photo you have. So this is how you achieve an amazing cinematic look just in one click. And with this video we're done, guys. Now you have an amazing preset. And if you want to have more presets of mine, you can always check out the link down below. There's a lot of presets. And with that being said, I wish you an amazing day. We're done for today. And if you like this video, if you find this kind of content helpful, please let me know. Press the like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave your comment down below and tell me what kind of video you would like to see next. More cool editing, or maybe you would like to see more photo walls. Let me know, guys, so I could deliver really nice and beautiful content to you. And with that being said, guys, my name is Russell Huntsman. I wish you an amazing evening and see you in the next video. Peace. No, we definitely didn't make it in 3 minutes, but next time we're gonna work on it.